KC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, some spring-like weather on the way next couple of days, but we're not done with the 30s yet. We're going to see more of those going into the weekend. But we have some 80-degree days also in the 10-day forecast, and in between some storms here and there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the big picture, because this will give us a chance to explain a little bit more and something new. I just kind of want to show you a different way of displaying how we look at the weather. And this is looking at the jet stream, 250 millibars, or about 35,000 feet to be exact. And here we have a dip in the jet stream. This is our next weather maker, and that's going to be moving eastward. Notice the upper level part of the system heading off to the northeast. But what we look for is, where are we with respect to the jet stream? Normally, if you're in the right rear quadrant, this side, or the left front quadrant here or up here, that's where you're going to see your weather generally in these jet stream scenarios. And when they're oriented out of the southwest, it usually means rain and thunderstorms, and that's what we're going to see going into Thursday. Now, we move ahead into the weekend. The flow is generally from west to east. It's what we call a more zonal flow, so that's when we're going to have the cool air, generally fair skies. But then as we go into next week, look at this. Quickly on Monday, we have a disturbance coming in. Here comes that southwest-oriented jet, so we're going with showers and maybe a few thunderstorms again on Monday. And then as we get deeper into next week, we're looking at the long-range pattern. We have this big dip in the trough in the jet stream here. This means a lot of rain and a lot of moisture being transported from the Pacific all the way up through the Midwest. So we could see some flooding rains developing as we go into the latter part of next week, looking at that long-range pattern. Near term, though, we're interested in this next weather system that is here down in South California. Look at this, producing snow at elevation, rain at lower parts of the atmosphere. That's going to be moving eastward and eventually will deliver rain and storms to us in about 36 hours or so. In the near term, fair skies, some clouds coming in. Southwest Louisiana seeing a few more clouds, but generally fair to partly cloudy skies overnight tonight, but cool. We'll keep it in the 50s thanks to a little bit of a breeze coming out of the southeast. And then tomorrow, a mixture of clouds and sun, a few passing isolated showers possible, not likely. Chance of measurable precipitation in the 20% range for tomorrow afternoon. It stays breezy as well. Breezy through Thursday morning. Look at this. Morning temperatures Thursday, upper 60s to near 70 degrees, and then we'll be in the mid 70s Thursday. Then showers and storms push on through. Couple of strong storms possible, ones that could produce gusty winds and brief torrential downpours, but we're not looking at a lot of rain. Severe threat perhaps mainly as you go farther north and east into Mississippi. That's where the dynamics will be stronger and the jet stream dynamics will be stronger. That front clears the area come we'll say late in the afternoon on Thursday or sooner, and then cloudy, breezy, and cold with eventual clearing skies as we head toward Friday morning. Friday morning, upper 30s to lower 40s, and yeah, there's going to be a little wind chill as well, so we'll be back to a winter scenario. Here's the Storm Prediction Center's update as we expected going in from yesterday to today. That severe weather threat farther north and east, but nonetheless, we'll keep an eye on the storms for northern portions of Acadiana, but anywhere in Acadiana, even if we're not hatched in for any severe weather, got to keep an eye on the storms. Again, it's a cold front. It's February. It's severe weather season, so we'll keep an eye on those storms going into Thursday. Rainfall, don't expect a whole lot, a half inch, maybe up to an inch in a few isolated spots, but generally enough rain to settle the dust, but we could certainly use some more. Temperature-wise, tonight in the 50s. Tomorrow, as mentioned, we'll be in the mid-70s, and one thing you'll certainly notice is the winds. Winds are going to be gusty out of the south-southeast, kicking in right around 10 a.m., and they'll stay breezy through tomorrow night into Thursday until that front gets here. So 52 the low tonight, not as chilly. A full moon out there as well, a snow moon, but none of that here. Therefore, tomorrow, a spring-like day for sure with that sun and cloud mix. A few isolated showers, but not likely at 20%. 75 the high. As we go through the next several days, there's your high rain chance Thursday and getting into the weekend. Breezy and much cooler. And for the parades, it's going to be chilly in the 40s and 50s. And there's going to be some wind chill for the Kenai Parade Friday evening, so dress in layers. And as we get deeper into the weekend, it looks to get warmer by Sunday afternoon. And next week, not one, but two 80-degree days now showing up in that forecast. As always, Those numbers are the freshest you can find. I update them every night and based on the latest model data.
And we were just saying, we're ready for spring.
We were just talking
You're
about
gonna
it.
have,
Wish
there's a little
granted,
bit here
sort
and
of.
there. There's
Yeah.
some 30s in between, but you'll have some spring too.
We'll
Very
take
good.
it. Thank you, Rob.